so far. Haven't had one of these. Oh, jeez. That's what just kept flying that at me. Look at that thing. Good God. It just bounced in. Damn every poor farmer around here. It's a death blow. Semi-half-finished crop. You got good insurance, buddy, because you're dented. Wait. You could be settling down, but damn, I just got nailed with that. Goodness. Look at that, rushing down the road. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky, guys. I do my best, but every now and then I get hit in the arm. I'm holding this door open. Run, run, run! Why is it always little rice burners running around back and forth in the hailstorm? I don't know. I'd have to review the video, but that's the only two vehicles I remember seeing, but I bet there's probably a couple more and I just wasn't paying attention. Oh, there. And there's an SUV. Alright. I will say I'm wrong. It's happened before. There's a truck, but, you know. It was a nice truck too. I hope he wasn't driving down when that big things were coming down. That was scary for a little bit there. Alright, seems to be just right now. It'll continue later. Good God, I mean, look down the street. That street right there where in the yard. It's July. I mean, middle July. Sorry for shaky cam. Have a good one.